Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for honors biology. To truly grasp the material, actively engage with it. Don't just read. Question what you're learning and connect new information to what you already know. After each class, take about 10 minutes to summarize the main points in your own words. This helps solidify your understanding and highlights any areas needing more review. Flashcards are also excellent for mastering key terms and intricate biological processes. Consistent study habits are crucial for success in honors biology. Aim to review your notes for 15 to 20 minutes each day. This daily reinforcement prevents information overload. Consider forming a small study group with classmates to discuss difficult concepts and quiz one another. Working through practice problems and old exams is also incredibly effective for identifying your strengths and weaknesses before the actual test. Honors biology often presents complex topics, but you can master them. Break down large, intimidating subjects into smaller, more digestible parts. Visual aids are powerful. Try drawing diagrams, flowcharts, or concept maps to illustrate intricate biological processes. If you encounter a concept that just isn't clicking, don't hesitate to ask your teacher for clarification or discuss it with a knowledgeable classmate. Understanding is key. When exam time approaches, start your review at least 1 week beforehand to avoid last-minute cramming. Focus on truly understanding the underlying biological concepts rather than just memorizing facts. This deeper comprehension will serve you better on application-based questions. Finally, ensure you get a good night's sleep before any exam. Being well-rested significantly improves your focus, recall, and overall performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.